Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students!
Today's topic is basic concept in geometry. Subtopic is betweenness. What are collinear points? Collinear points. If three or more points falls on the same line, then they are called collinear points. For example, here we have a line. You can see that point P, Q and R are on the same line, or you can say that they contains exactly a single line. Hence point P, Q and R are collinear points. Make a note, 2 points are always collinear, because if we join any 2 points on a plane, they will fall on a single line. Hence 2 points are always collinear. If P, Q, R are three distinct collinear points, there are three possibilities. Okay, here we have 3 points P, Q and R. They are collinear points. Collinear point means they falls on the same line. Okay, but here we don't know the position of all the 3 points. It may be, you can say that Q may be lie between P and R, or you can say R may be lie between P and Q, or you can say that P will lie between Q and R. So here we have three possibilities. The first one is that point Q is between P and R. Symbolically, we can write this as P dash Q dash R. When I say that P dash Q dash R, it means all the 3 points are collinear. It means they falls on the same line, and Q is between P and R. That means the position of Q is fixed. It is between P and R. Now the second possibility is that you can see that in this figure Q is between P and R. Now here we have the second possibility. Point R is between P and Q. Symbolically, we can write this P dash R dash Q. P dash R dash Q means those 3 points falls on the same line, and R is between P and Q. That means position of R is fixed. It is between P and Q. You can see this number line over here. Here R is between P and Q, and all three are collinear points. Now we have here third possibility, point P is between R and Q. Symbolically, you can write this R dash P dash Q. R dash P dash Q means those 3 points are collinear. It means they falls on the same line, and P is between R and Q. It means here position of point P is fixed. It is between R and Q. Betweenness means in between. If distance PQ plus distance QR is equals to distance PR, then it is said that point Q is between points P and R. This is shown as P dash Q dash R, or R dash Q dash P. If distance PR plus distance RQ equals to distance PQ, then it is said that point R is between points P and Q. This is shown as P dash R dash Q, or Q dash R dash P. If distance QP plus distance PR equals to distance QR, then it is said that point P is between points Q and R, and this is shown as Q dash P dash R, or R dash P dash Q. Practice set 1.1. Question number 3. From the information given below, find which of the point is between the other two. If the points are not a collinear, state so. Here we have sub question 1. Distance PR equals to 7, distance PQ equals to 10, distance QR equals to 3. So what is given here? Distance PR equals to 7, distance PQ equals to 10 and distance QR equals to 3. Using these three distances, we have to check whether the points are collinear or not. If they are collinear, then which point will lie between the other two? That we need to find out. So what we need to do over here to know, here we'll take the help of these three distances. Among these three distances, 7 and 3 are the smaller distances. So what we will do here, we will find the sum of two smaller distances and we'll compare it with the remaining distance, that is 10. So let's see. We'll add distance PR with distance QR. We will get 7 plus 3. Therefore distance PR plus distance QR equals to 10. We'll consider this as equation number 1. Now here the remaining distance is 10, that is PQ is 10. We'll take as equation number 2. Now here we will see that equation 1 and 2. You can look at that equation 1 is over here and equation number 2 is over here. Right hand side of equation number 1 is 10 and right hand side of equation 2 is also 10. It means right hand side of both the equations are equal, and we know that if the right hand side of any two equations are equal, then their left hand side will also equals to each other. It means distance PR plus distance QR is equals to distance PQ. This statement we got by comparing equation 1 and 2. And if the sum of two distances is equals to the greater one, then we can say that points are collinear. So here points P, Q and R are collinear, and here R is between points P and Q. Let's see how to know that which point lies between other two if they are collinear. Look at whether these two smaller distances, that is PR and QR, okay, they contains common letter R, right? Common letter R. Therefore R is between P and Q. Here we have the next question. Distance RS equals to 8, distance ST equals to 6, distance RT equals to 4. Now here again we'll say that here we have three distances, 8, 6 and 4. Among these three distances, 6 and 4 are the smaller distances, right? So what we will do here, we'll add those two smaller distances. So distance ST plus distance RT equals to 6 plus 4. Therefore distance ST plus distance RT equals to 10. We will take as equation number 1. Now remaining third distance is 8, that is distance RS is 8. We'll take as equation number 2. Now look at the equation 1 and 2. Here the right hand side of equation number 1 is 10 and right hand side of equation number 2 is 8. That means right hand side of equation 1 and 2 are not equal. So you can say that if the right hand side of these two equations are not equal, then the left hand side of these two equations will not be equal. Therefore distance ST plus distance RT is not equals to distance RS. This statement we got by comparing equation 1 and 2. And we know that if the sum of two smaller distances is not equal to the greater one, then the points are non-collinear points. Hence, points R, S and T are not collinear. Here we have the next question. Distance AB equals to 16, distance CA equals to 9, distance BC equals to 7. So what is given here? Distance AB is 16, distance CA equals to 9, and distance BC equals to 7. So here we have 3 points A, B and C, and we have to check are these 3 points are collinear or not, right? If they are collinear, then which point will lie between the other two? So what we will do here, we will add the two smaller distances, that means 9 and 7. Okay, it means we'll find sum of distance CA and distance BC. So distance CA plus distance BC equals to 9 plus 7. Distance CA plus distance BC equals to 16. We'll consider this step as equation number 1. Now we'll compare sum of these two smaller distances with the greater one, that is 16. So your distance AB is 16. We'll take this step as equation 2. Now here we'll compare equation 1 and 2. You can see the right hand side of equation number 1 is 16 and right hand side of equation number 2 is also 16. It means right hand side of both the equations are equal. Therefore, left hand side of equation 1 will be equals to left hand side of equation number 2. It means distance CA plus distance BC equals to distance AB. This statement we got by comparing equation 1 and 2. So here sum of two smaller distances is equal to the greater one, hence points A, B, C are collinear. Now these 3 points are collinear. Now we need to check among these 3 points which points lie between the other two. Okay, that will get with the help of those two smaller distances. What was those two smaller distances? 9 and 7. Okay, look at over here, distance CA and distance BC, right? Distance CA and distance BC both contains one common letter, that is C, and that common letter will lie between the other two. It means point C lies between A and B. Now question number 4. Distance LM equals to 11, distance MN equals to 12, distance LN equals to 8. Question number 5 here, question number 6 over here. That you can try by own by using the same method. Just make a note, if you want to know whether the relation of betweenness exists among the given point or not, just you have to add two smaller distances among all three. If the sum of those two smaller distances is equal to the greater one, then the points are collinear. Otherwise, they are non-collinear points. Here we have question number 4. On a number line, points A, B and C are such that distance AC equals to 10, distance CB equals to 8. Find distance AB considering all possibilities. So what is given here? Distance AC equals to 10 and distance CB equals to 8. Here it is given that point ABC lies on the same line, but the position of point A and B and C are not mentioned. It means which we don't know here which point will lie between other two. So here we have some possibilities. Here we have the possibility number 1. If C lies between A and B, it means if A dash C dash B, it means if C is between A and B. So here we have a figure. Here segment AC, right? Distance AC plus distance CB equals to distance AB. So here distance AB equals to distance AC plus distance CB, since C is between A and B, that is A dash C dash B. Now here we will substitute distance AC as 10 and distance CB as 8. So distance AB equals to 10 plus 8. Therefore distance AB equals to 18. So distance between point A and B is 18 when point C lies between A and B. That was your first possibility. Now here we have the possibility number 2. When B lies between A and C, that it means A dash B dash C. Now here in this case, distance AB plus distance BC equals to distance AC. So distance AC equals to distance AB plus distance BC, since B is between A and C. Now we'll substitute distance AC as 10 and distance BC as 8. Now we will shift plus 8 to that side of equal to. If we'll shift plus 8 from right hand side to the left hand side of equal to, sign will change. So we will get 10 minus 8 equals to distance AB. Therefore distance AB equals to 2. Therefore distance AB equals to 18 or 2. Possibility number 3 will not occur, since if we will take point C between A and B, then we will get negative distance, and you know the distance between 2 points cannot be negative. Therefore the third possibility will not occur. Now here we have the next question. Points X, Y and Z are collinear such that distance XY equals to 17, distance YZ equals to 8. Find distance XZ. Here this question you can do by own, because this question is same as the previous questions. Now we will go for the next question. Sketch proper figure and write the answers to the following questions. In that we have the first question. If A dash B dash C and length AC equals to 11, length BC equals to 6.5, then find the length AB. So here you can see that it is mentioned that A dash B dash C, it means point A, B, C are collinear points. It means they falls on the same line, and B is between A and C. So here we have a figure. You can see that B is between A and C. So here length of segment AB plus length of segment BC equals to length of segment AC. So length AB plus length BC equals to length AC, since B is between A and C. Now we will substitute here the value of the given segments. So we will get length AB plus 6.5 equals to 11. Now we will shift 6.5 plus 6.5 to that side of equal to, right? So what will happen? The sign of this number will change, since you are shifting 6.5 from left hand side to right hand side. So we will get length AB equals to 11 minus 6.5. Length AB equals to 4.5. So your length AB equals to 4.5. Now here we have the next question. If R dash S dash T and length ST equals to 3.7, length RS equals to 2.5, then find length RT. So here you can see that it is mentioned that point R, S, T are collinear points. They falls on the same line and where S is between R and T. So here you can see that length of segment RS plus length of segment ST equals to length of segment RT. So length RS plus length ST equals to length RT. Since S is between R and T, we will substitute length of RS as 2.5 and length of ST as 3.7 equals to length RT. Now we will add 2.5 with 3.7, we will get 6.2 equals to length RT. Therefore length RT equals to 6.2. So answer is length RT equals to 6.2. Now here we have the next question. If x dash y dash z and length xz equals to 3 root 7, length xy equals to root 7, then find the length yz. This question you can do by own. This question is same as the previous two questions which I had explained you just now. Here we have question number 7. Which figure is formed by 3 non-collinear points? Now we will take 3 non-collinear points. So here we have 3 non-collinear points. Non-collinear point means they do not fall on the same line. Or you can say that if we'll join them, they will not make a single line. Now we'll join all the 3 points. Which figure we got here? Triangle. So what will be the answer? A triangle is formed by 3 non-collinear points. Thank you very much.